Hello, everybody. We're back. All right. Let's see how this market open is going to go down. Least estimator, welcome. Good to see you back. Okay, so we just went through the 21K, and I'm going to follow the ES too because, you know, we're getting closer and closer to the 6,000 level, and that's why I think the bullish momentum should remain. And we have, what's the all-time high, by the way? All-time high is basically this. All-time high is 250, and I think we're gonna break that. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but this is gonna be bullish for now, in my understanding. But let's see. At the all-time high in QQQ and in the Cs. Yeah, everything is going up to the moon. So, yeah. Right now, hovering above 21K. Would be interesting to see what happens. But we're going up. That's an undeniable fact. All right. I'm still hesitating, but anyway, let's wait for the open. And let's see what can be done. Everybody cover your ears. There's gonna be a super loud opening bell. Turn down your speakers. This is the 5-minute chart for now, but we can switch over to the 1 minute. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. The party started. And nothing is moving. Now we have FOMC, by the way, so that's why I think everybody should be careful, and we might see some sideways movement, but we're going up now, 20 points. I'm gonna look ES for now. Gonna be watching for the ES in the meantime, and trying to zoom out the 15-minute chart to zoom in. Not zoom out, but zoom into the 15-minute to look for some fair value gaps. Still bullish. So there's a 15-minute busy. Camille, let's make some money. Yeah, Dario, welcome. HRCO. Harcio. I'm gonna call you Harcio. Hey, good to see you, man. Good to see you back. Welcome. Welcome back. Secrets of the Unknown. Welcome. All right. So these are the levels, and so far ES hovering at 59.80. What's up with the news? I think we should be seeing some news. No, only have the, I mean, we had unemployment claims, which is, well, you know, somewhat, it wasn't that heavy. So 2 p.m. AM session doesn't have anything. ES grinding up there. Unstoppable. I'm gonna put a line to the 100 level here, just to see where it goes or how it goes. No sign of structure or pullback or anything. Nothing on the 5-minute. Everything was efficient here. So it might just straight gonna go up to 100. Which means, I don't know. I don't know. I feel like ES is is gonna break the 6K today. That's what I think. So you know, if it's gonna do it, then let's see how far it goes. Okay, NQ so far still, you know, here at the 50 level. Nothing special. All right, this could be a possible retracement to lower prices. You know, even if I just want to risk like, who knows? You know, if we want to go to 100, I'm gonna be watching ES. ES is still not ready. Welcome everybody. Always good to see you, Akram. What's up? Yeah, could be. Trader Monk, hello. We could see that happening. We can absolutely see that happening. Just trying to figure out if it wants to go. Well, there was one fair value gap here. Which it took advantage of. And I'm looking for some levels on the 5-minute. Entered the long position at 40, 41 actually. So I'm looking for this trade to go a little bit higher. Where is it? It's here. Don't even have a stop yet. Looking for this to go to the 100 level. According to ES. Could be pushing higher, but I might just going to exit manually. All right, I'm closing it. This trade was made on a funded account, so I'm okay with it. By the way, there is a slight connection issue. Again, I don't know if it's biorhythmic or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna reconnect. All right, back to the 1 minute. Going up. Should have just stayed in the trade, right? All right. Going up, yeah. Whoa! Martin! Skripko! Thank you for joining, Martin. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining the channel. Good to have you. ES lower high. Let's check on it. ES is stuck a little bit. It seems like that NQ is the one that starting to pull higher. Obviously the 100 could be a possible target, but you know, gotta be careful here on these levels. Seems like this is going to the 100s or 100 area. I'm out of the position, but I actually made a good trade on that. Look at that, just straight up. And you know, the price delivery was pretty much efficient down here. Not too many areas left to cover, so this one can go up without any major retracements, you know. Maybe it can go into the 90s, who knows. It's very close. Very, very, very close. Look at that. Just like that, it went into the 90s. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? I closed too early my previous position. And now there's just the 100 that's left. All right. Let's wait patiently of what's gonna happen. We could see some major pullback, you know. It's just going up straight without any pullback. And let me look on well, ES also climbing higher into the 90s. Careful. All right. We could see, there you go, we could see a bit of a pullback. Or profit taking. Let's see. Let's see. Well, I have nothing on here, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, what do we have? The first fair value gap after 9:30 was actually, we had one here. I'm gonna utilize this. Or maybe that, sorry. That was the first fair value gap. Actually, it did the rejection. $78, it's a daily level. Let's go for 78. I don't see why it's a daily level, but it's obviously it's close to the all-time high. That's for sure. But yeah. Beautiful bullish reaction here on this first fair value gap. Slowly going back down there. The 15 minutes still have time to close. There is a 5-minute gap currently that we're in. I'm gonna give this one a different color. so we don't mix it up. So this is a 5-minute BC. And you know, the candle on a swing high. Oh, yeah, that's a swing high. Definitely it is. That's a swing, that's all-time high. So that's why I'm saying, so that's true. You're right. That's that level. I have it here at 215, the all-time high. I'm curious if there's gonna be a reaction on this 5-minute gap, especially a bullish one. I don't know. Looks promising a little bit. Yeah, so there's a bullish reaction here. Enter the long position. Trying to go for 87. It might be, I might have been a little bit too early on this. I know, but it's only a small position, so it's just a small position, nothing serious. So I don't mind losing this. It's all right. Obviously looking for a continuation, but yeah, it's not happening. So that was a small one. Trump to pump. Let's trade bullish from the, yeah. Zoltan, hello. Russell, it started pullback. Trading on hip for indicator for SPY. Oh yeah, well, I wasn't even watching Russell, to be honest. Look at that. Is this pumping again? It looks like. Nope. Swept liquidity. All right. Nothing special. For now. Can we go lower? The 15-minute gap is still there. I don't know if it wants to reprice it or not. ES is still a little bit sideways, but you know, I would be actually jumping into a long if I would have a nice displacement. The macro is now kicking in, so I have no reason to believe that something could go wrong here. I mean, by not continuing higher, this candle could close higher and break structure with a displacement. Still has time. Nothing. All right. Okay. You're long? Yeah, let's just, keep it low risk. Keep it low risk and it should be okay, right? Just low risk. That's the key. That's the key of the game. Low risk. I'm also gonna be waiting a little bit. Sideways action for now, but overall I'm gonna stay bullish to break all-time high here. You know. Seven money bag, yo. When we gonna see Apex 9%? Been ages. I don't know. Maybe. I'm guessing at least once this year, hopefully. You're short at 5 at 77. Careful with the shorts, Jay. This one looks like it wants to rip. So I'm actually looking to jump into a long when I have a decent setup here. As far as ES, tries to go higher. Maybe like here. I'm gonna use only $100 risk if I go in. 73. If it goes. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and all right, putting a limit order. Limit order at 78.50. But it's going higher. I'm moving it to 80. My limit order is at 80 to go long. Small fair value gap. I don't know if it's gonna go back down to this area. Not sure. OTE level for me, okay, moving it once more to 81. And let's see. Let's just want to go. It's gonna rip through 100 like butter. Yeah, it's going. It's just going, no stopping. Now OTE is at 82. All right, moved my order to 82. I don't want to move my order too much. This one is just going. I think it's just gonna go. I'm not in a position. I'm watching ES. It's at 86. Definitely wants to go to 6K. I feel like I'm missing the train here. I deleted my limit order. I have nothing on right now. No limit orders. Just waiting. Just waiting. All right. It's moving. It's just ripping. Now OTE is down at 87. All right, putting a limit order at 87.50. It's not gonna go down. So all I do is I'm just waiting for a pullback, but it's not happening for now. It's just too strong of a move. You're out? 240, let's go, man. What do you guys think about short on gold? I haven't checked on gold. I would be careful with the shorts on gold. I think gold is gonna break all-time high as well. So I'm concentrating right now here, but careful with the shorts on gold. Gold is also super bullish. Everything is bullish, basically. But yeah. So my limit order is still in at 87.50. I'm not risking too much, about $112 on this. So it's alright. I'm alright with it. Small fair value gap here. It doesn't seem like that it wants to go down and reprice that area. But there's nothing else I can go with, you know. I don't have any other thing here that I can go with. No pullback, no nothing. It's too strong. Was it 4R? Hey, congrats, Akram. That's a nice one. Congratulations. That is an awesome trade then. Do something. This chart is bad. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. What can I do? What can I do? Call my people. All right. Hold on. I want to make some lights here because it's getting dark. That's better. Call my people. All right. Hey, all right, people. Can you? I can't do that. It can't go one way anyway. Well, sooner or later it has to do some change in the direction, but so far, you know, we're just entered into the new hour right now, and seems like there's just no stopping this. Look at that, ripping higher, unstoppable, totally unstoppable. Moving my limit order to 90.75. Not that it matters too much. One more fair value gap here. It's not going down to reprice. It's just not. It's going higher. It's a ripper. It's not taking any liquidity. It's just going straight to the moon. Jesus, look at this. ES ready to shoot higher. Wow. Can't catch a breath here, right? All right, deleting my limit order. Nothing here. I'm gonna put a line into this 15-minute gap just to see how it looks like here. Oh yeah, so there was it. Anyway, it was at 54. Well. This is the 3-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Putting a fib tool on the 5-minute. Nope, not going down. Just going higher and higher. I'm just sitting on my hands. That's all I'm doing. Scattered that 5-minute fair value gap. Well, yeah, we have one here. I'm gonna give it a different color in case it wants to go back down here. But this is such a ripper. You know, it might just want to go all the way down. Gonna put this a little bit, I mean up. At this point, I'm just going to wait for a price to get back into that 5-minute BC, and I'm gonna be waiting for some kind of a reaction. If this would have made a nice retracement instantly into this gap, then I would have taken it. But at this point, I am not going to. Relative equal lows here on the 1 minute, waiting for a price if it comes back down here. If I want to be super aggressive, there we had a small gap right down there. You know. Entered the long position, by the way, with based on this small fair value gap. But if it goes down to the other one, it's okay too. It's a very small position, like $100, so nothing special. If it fails, then I will be looking for a reaction down there in the 5-minute BC. For now, it seems like it might go back down. You know, based on the ES still, you know, wants to go. Well, Akram, I try to stay calm, but it's super hard to stay calm, you know. it's hard. Now I'm only risking $100, so I'm okay with it here. I'm perfectly all right with it. My stop loss is right at the 5-minute fair value gap. So if it goes down, I'm just going to wait for a reaction and maybe jump in again. You know, the only thing I saw here is, and I did not want to, I missed the train. Look at that. I missed the train by almost 10 points, but the long goal is to go up there and make a new high. So I don't even want to wait all that much for this. I just want to go for a 1 to 2, but new all-time high would be above the 200s. As long as ES is pushing up to 6K, I have no problem by missing my entry with a few points. As long as my stop loss is in order. And even if I would have entered down there a few points lower, my stop loss would still be at the same place. So that doesn't change the fact that overall I'm looking price to go higher. So I'm fine with my entry. Not the perfect entry, I know, but you know, I'm just gonna wait, and I'm gonna be watching ES as well. I'm gonna be watching ES as well. I think today is definitely ES is the one that is going to try to move the market. You know. Let's go. Venom made 2K on instant funded. Come on. Which prop firm was it? That is cool. Paul passed another combine. That is awesome. Easy longs. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Whoa, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Congrats, guys. That is really nice. Oh yeah, you know, making that profit, you know, on instant funded. That's awesome. Which prop firm was it? You know, just gotta be, you know, just about asking because of the consistency rule, you know. But every prop firm has consistency. It depends on you know, what type of account you go with. Short at 50, more at 25. Let's go. Yeah, we can, you know, easily retrace down there. So if it takes me out, I'm just gonna wait on the 5-minute again to look for some sort of reaction. But I think, Jay, your shorts can be good now. It has to do some sort of a pullback. The 5-minute looks like it's out of bulls. The buyers are getting tired. And there you go. Yeah. The buyers are getting tired now. Need some sort of a pullback. So it has to go down just below my stop loss, unfortunately. So another 10 points down. But it is what it is. Then I'm just gonna look for reaction down there. And that's it. Yeah, I think I'm closing it. You know, it's very close to go below 92.75. Is that the low? 92.75? I think it is. 92.75-ish area. There's the 5-minute gap is actually at 91. Is it gonna go for it? I don't know, man. Feels like it might want to. Anyway, I closed down my trade with a small loss. I'm gonna be waiting for some sort of a reaction on the 5-minute. I'm not disappointed or anything. It's all right. But I am going to wait. I thought that this initial, I mean this one here, is going to skyrocket it up there, but now I want to see it go back down into that gap. So I'm out. Cover 50 at 202. Nice. Oh, 102. Sorry. Yeah. Nice, nice. Yeah, I think based on the 5 minute, we should be seeing some sort of a pullback, but it's hard to tell. Nice. Congratulations. All the way up. Let's go. I mean, there was a beautiful reaction here on the first fair value gap on the 1 minute that actually started to send prices higher. And then, here at 9:54 a.m. Eastern Standard. You can post the link, by the way, if you have image URL. That's why you're a mod. There you go. OTE. And yeah, you're using European time, but this was market open. OTE. And here. Right here. Yeah, I checked the second picture. That's what I shown. Yeah, the second picture. Which hour? Yeah, that was after market open, so between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Somewhere here. That should be somewhere around 9:40-ish area. Actually, I can show you here. This was somewhere 9:47, 9:50 Eastern Standard. All right, so far they're stuck here. I'm curious if this one is gonna do or form some kind of reaction down here in the 5-minute gap below 92. Obviously, it's very close. Should be going down to 92, in my opinion. But, maybe the 100 level is holding. ES is accumulating positions, I think. Optimal trade entry level. I guess that's what he refers. There should be a dump coming somewhere before. Yeah, there should be something. I'm just trying to figure out if this one still wants to push higher at this hour. So, you know, during the AM session. Is it looking for some sort of a, you know, retracement? So far, the 100 level is holding. ES is also holding. Re-enter to a very small long position with 2 micros because ES is pumping, or looks like it wants to go, and I'm watching ES. So re-entered with a small position. Actually, I'm just utilizing the same exact fair value gap that I used before. Nothing special here. My stop is in the 5-minute gap. If it takes me out, I'm only going to lose about 80 bucks. So I'm all right with it. I'm looking for this one to continue higher towards the 200s. Again, if it takes me out, it's fine. I'm going to be looking for the same reaction in the 5-minute gap. I mean, some sort of a bullish formation, obviously. Until ES is looking for the 6K. So let's see. Yeah, ES going to the 90s now. ES has every chance to break the 6K. No, it might not. I mean, sorry, NQ might not. But still, I think ES could be pulling this one. Just gonna wait here. Yeah, unfortunately, it might go down to the 91s. Again. Or not again, but finally. It was only the 100 level that was holding this. But now it's broken, so... crazy price action for sure. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this right now. Holy Grail, what's up? What does your gut say, down or up? In the big picture, up, definitely. But first, I think it wants to go down to the 5-minute gap and reprice it, sweep some liquidity. You know, that's what I think. But, you know, ES also trying to push it into the 90s. I think it should pull NQ up as well. And we have the actually I might bring down the limit if it goes up there, but and we have it very close. All-time high is at right above the 200s, a little bit higher, and that's why it's difficult. Although I'm just risking $80 on this, so it's not the end of the world here, but still, I'm just trying to figure this out. I'm watching ES closely. Venom, hey there. I heard you made some awesome trade. Or trade. Congrats on the profits. Yeah. Swag. Oh yeah, you were asking what my gut is saying. Yeah. I'm just gonna gotta be patient, you know. At this kind of price action, anything can happen, you know. And obviously price 1734. Yeah, you know, at least up to the 50s should be all right, but again, ES is slowly grinding. Now it's already in the 90s, trying to go. What I might do, if this would go higher, then I would lower my stop, and you know, exit a little bit earlier. But we'll see. I can afford the doner kebab. Awesome. That's awesome. I'm happy for you guys. All right, now it might go down. Look at that. Uh-oh, here it is. Now it should be, you know, I might close down the position here. Yeah, I'm closing it. I closed it. Closed it down. Closed it down because I think there's a very high chance that we just gonna go down and, you know, reprice a little bit lower there. There you go. We just did. So small loss, not a big deal. Closed it. Looking for the reaction now on the 5-minute gap. And what else? Yeah, gonna look for some sort of reaction. What does ES did? ES also tired out. There's a link down there, Akram. There's a link below the stream. It's not a free Discord. It's $10 a month. Just to filter out some things, and you know, that's it. Yeah, it's $10 for the Discord, yeah. But hey, Akram, we're still here, you know, every day on the stream, so that's the main thing. Interesting move here, you know. It looks like a possible bullish reaction here on this 5-minute. Look at the reaction now, bearish, and now this one seems like it could go higher, you know, all the way up there, you know, to the 200s. What if, you know, what if this one wants to go 2 minutes until the 5-minute candle closes? I might jump in. Depends on how it closes. Very nice, Akram. Very nice. All right, 1 minute and 15 seconds to close this candle, and I'm still looking for some bullish move. I do like the way these candles are looking. It might gonna be a market order, but let's see how this is gonna end up. Less than 1 minute to close this 5-minute candle. ES also repricing lower. Uh-oh. Looks very, very, very interesting. How is the 1 minute looks like? Looks like a bullish breaker. I don't know. Looks like a bullish breaker. All right. Entered a long. Maybe I shouldn't have. Small position with 2 micros. And, you know, we'll see. So this is the trade. The 5-minute was looking bullish. This was a bullish breaker. You know, overall, I thought that ES might try to go, and actually it tries to push it now. So all I'm looking is for actually to go into the 50s, 150s, if it goes there. But if not, then obviously it's not gonna go. If not, then obviously this is not gonna be the trade that I'm looking for. I would go long, but we are between 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation of the daily Bollinger Bands. Oh, I see. Yeah, standard deviations. Yeah. I'm just following the ES, you know, right now with any kind of bullish momentum that I can take. So that's why I jumped into this one. Obviously, I don't like that we're just basically going sideways on the 5 minutes since, I mean, in the whole hour almost. So anyway, all I'd like to see is this one go into the 50s, and I would be okay with it, you know. Let me look on ES again. ES is back to the 90s, pushing it. Also, if by some reason ES would spike up to 6,000 in just a second, I would close down my NQ trade immediately, manually. So if ES would go super fast and just, you know, take it out like in a matter of seconds, I would just close down my NQ. Man, I don't like this. It's tough. I was hoping for at least, you know, during the AM session something better, but we're just consolidating here. Just close their main lobby. Oh, rip. Rip. That's a rip. Okay, FTT is shutting down. It's official. Yeah, FTT is shutting down. It's now official. It's really official. FTT is dead. I'm just reading the messages here. FTT is officially cooked. They're done. They're done. Sad story. Really, really sad story. You know, what can we do? It's a sad situation. Is this gonna go to the 50s or not? I'm just curious. All right, I had to close down one contract. All right. Let's see. At least I was able to take partials on this. I'm watching ES. ES is pushing up to 95 now. Can it go to the 50s? I don't know. I think it just wants to. Yeah, everything is gone, Naomi. It seems like, I mean, Matt from MyFundedFutures already tweeted out that FTT is shut down. Yeah, they're removing everything. They're deleting everything. They're doing house cleaning. So they're deleting everything. So save your screenshots now if you want to, because they're just pulling the rug at this very moment. So FTT is pulling. Website is going to be down, I think, today. So website is going to be gone real quickly. All right, we took TP. Awesome. Let's see. I made 150 net profit after the losses on all of my funded accounts, at least 5 funded accounts. 5 funded accounts, I made $150 after 2 small losses. I ended up positive $150 each. So that's $750 on 5 funded accounts, which is, I know it's not too much, but you know, I was chopping myself up here. So if those chops would not happened, I could have been up like $250 per account. But yeah. It was a nice trade. It was a nice trade. That was an amazing scam, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, FTT. And, you know, I blame their CEO. Absolutely, their CEO. I can now absolutely, I mean, everybody can say that Scott Trieste is an absolute felon and a scammer and a criminal, I think. Because there is a lot of evidence that he was buying supercars to his new company and, you know, rental service and all that such. He was basically stealing the company's money. And I'm sure if there would be an investigation, they would find a lot of evidence how he was actually pulling the money out from fast track trading. So it was not because of, I mean, obviously it was because of risk management, but anyway, it was a huge scam. Huge scam. So if you want to save anything, yeah, he was posting if you want to save anything left from their Discord, I suggest you do it, because I think their Discord is going to be gone real shortly. So and I suggest everybody should make some screenshots from, if you want to file something against this guy, screenshots from his Twitter and everything that he said, you know, because I think everything is gonna be deleted. I'm gonna give you like 24 to 48 hours. Website, Twitter, Discord, everything is gonna be cleaned up. Everything. Yeah, Vivian. Yeah, it's not good for the prop firm space. It's not good. It's absolutely not good. It's official, yeah, Alex. It's official. They're going down. I mean, 98% official. Their Discord is closed. Nobody's answering. You cannot log in. Stuff like that. Anyway. So it's not good for the industry. It's not good. It's not good. I did not, even though I stepped away from Fast Track after this charade, I did not want them to go down. The way they managed all this, anyway, it's not gonna be. This is gonna cause ripple effects in the futures prop space from the government side. Not now, not next week, but next year. Next year, you're out. Congratulations, Akram. Congratulations. I'm happy for you, man. So this is going to cause a ripple effect, and it's not good. It's not good. Because now I think the regulatories will see that how easy it is to just take people's money and without any responsibility and cash backup. They should be having like the cash backup like the online like the casinos. I mean the brick and mortar business casinos, right? So every casino, for example, in Las Vegas has to have the same exact amount of cash in their safe, like how much like the amount of chips they have on the tables. Every chip has to be covered with real cash in the safe. So I think that should be something that has to be done in the prop space. Even unrealized profit on the simulated funded accounts. Now listen to this. On the simulated funded accounts, every unrealized profit should be backed up every day according to the previous day or something. I don't know. I know it's impossible to keep it up every second, but should be backed up like the previous day's balance should be kept up 110% every single day with real cash, or something like that, because that was the issue. You took all the moves. Nice, Akram. You're seeing them deleting the channels? Oh yeah, they're deleting it. Oh, I see it as well. Look at that. They're deleting the channel live. Whoa! Tomasz is putting in a giveaway. Thank you. Legend W. Look at that. They're basically, these chat rooms are going to disappear real soon.
Giveaway once more for these huge WS.
All right. Tomasz is sponsoring another giveaway. Let me log in and set this up at Streamlabs. It's good for you guys now because we don't have as many viewers as in London sessions, so the chances are higher for a win. I'm gonna let you guys know if it's ready. I'm gonna set this up now. Alright, Tamás, thank you. Köszönöm szépen, nem kellett volna. Tényleg. Megbeszéltük. No, köszönöm. Thank you so much, Tamás, in the name of the community. Let's start the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. We are going to pick a winner in about 10 or 15 minutes, alright? Alright, exclamation mark cash. It should be working. Streamlabs is on. Alright. It's working. Please try again later. Oh no. Maxwell, thank you. Hit the like button, by the way, guys, and subscribe to the channel. By the way, we're still going for all-time high. I'm gonna write this here. All-time high. I think that's the ultimate level, but I'm comfortable, I know it's not much, but I copy traded and I made some scalps here and there. So I copy traded now. I broke a rule of mine, but I was only trading with 2 micros. 2 micros, not 5 or 10 or whatever, 2 micros. I copy traded 5 funded accounts and I made $150 each. I'm good. So I am perfectly good with $150 each on these funded accounts, for a day. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Everything is basically getting deleted. Official links, everything. Look at that. If we look in here, terms and conditions, clean. Welcome room, clean. Clean, clean. Announcements is still here. The main lobby is still here. Strategy talk, clean. Psychology room, clean. Reviews, clean. Everything is clean. Everything is clean now. 2 guys stuck here. I don't know. Everything is clean. Wiped clean. The main lobby is still here, but I think it's getting deleted as we speak. So all right. Take your snapshots. Got from their website calendars also. Yeah, the everything is gone. I got 2 payouts still pending. Obviously, it's not gonna happen. Send your money to PayPal in the future for victims. Yeah. I don't know. Xane, hey there. So exclamation mark give cash, and Tamash is sponsoring a giveaway. I got some money from Celsius crypto platform after they shut down years ago. That was another huge scam. Yeah, by the way, not a bad idea. If you can still log into their website, I haven't even checked, then, you know. Make a screenshot of your dashboard. Oh, the website is down. Okay. Oh, no, it's still there. Okay. But it's not loading. Okay. There you go. Goodbye, fast track trading. They pulled the plug. At least it's not loading in on my end. Nice. Dashboard is not loading in. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Fast track trading is gone. Maybe their Twitter is still there. It's gone, yeah. They're just deleting everything. I think their Twitter is gone as well, right? Let's check out Scott's Twitter, if it still has it. No. The Fast Track Trades Twitter is still there, but I'm not sure for how long. You're still inside the website. Take your screenshot because I can't log in. Naomi, take your screenshot. I cannot log in anymore. I can't. TopStep is the only one that is reliable, or trade CFDs with fibers or FTMO. Well, TopStep, or, you know, I would say Apex and MyFundedFutures too. I know some of you guys disagree, but Those are good too. Let's do the raffle. All right. Less people, more chance. Okay, I'm not the captain here in this giveaway. So if Tomasz is saying that we should do the raffle, then we're gonna do it. Just give me a moment. 23 people entered the giveaway, so odds are very high that you're gonna win. All right, I'm closing down the entries in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and hey, Slim Trady. All right, closing down. Entries closed. And now, let's pick. I'm not even looking at the chat, so there's no. I closed the chat. I'm not seeing if you guys are typing or anything. We're gonna pick the winner. The winner is going to be a superb trader. Someone who is really awesome. Was always here. Supports the channel. Anyway. Thanks again to Tomasz for sponsoring this $50 cash giveaway. So the winner is gonna be no other than... Jesus Christ, Maverick. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let me check the chat. I closed down the chat, so buy a Top Step combine. Yeah, you can actually pay with PayPal. Congratulations, Maverick. Congrats. He's on my Discord. All right. Congrats. I'm happy. Just send me your PayPal on Discord, and I'm sending it to you ASAP. All you have to do is just send me your PayPal, and I'm sending you the dough. Congrats. You passed 3 combines and made 2K, yeah. So yeah. Exactly. Oh wow, the dashboard came back. But it's not loading my accounts. The dashboard came back on fast track, but it's not loading in. Oh, it loaded in. Okay, so these are the 2 payout requests that I'm waiting. It's still working. So maybe fast track is not a rock pool after all, right? No, it's not. Not that I know of. I asked it, but nobody told that it's necessary. It's not working for you? So far, I think price is still accumulating, by the way. And Maverick, you know, you can send me your PayPal on Discord. The other Maverick. Yeah, FTT down. FTT is officially done. $3K, you made $3K? Oh my god. Oh yeah, you're in India. Do you have a PayPal? Oh, sorry. Mm, yeah, you need 2 days on top step. On a back. I don't know, Paul. I'm not sure about that. I don't know, you know, because of the wire transfer is different than the credit card. Maybe the credit card can work somehow, but not sure. FTT, oh, Holy Grail, FTT is done officially. They're done. Discord is closed, website is down, everything is rug pulled, everything is off. Look at that, they actually wiped out their Discord. Only the main lobby is still here. But you can't type. All the chat rooms are deleted. Everything is deleted now. Everything. Support is nowhere. So everything like this. Scott, you piece of shit. I hope you are happy when some people starve. Blah blah blah. Everybody's gone crazy now. And support also said that FTT is shutting down. We called it early and was warned. So this is it. It's unfortunate, yeah. It's unfortunate. And it's very sad that this has happened. Hold on. I was waiting for 2 payouts. Oh. Are you freaking kidding me? All right, let me just a second. Try to log into my application. Awesome. Tony, you missed the giveaway. You just missed the giveaway. So far, I think we should still go up there and, you know, make some new all-time highs. I hope I did not left any orders or positions on. No, I don't. But what a run here, right? So this is quite exciting. And now they just deleted, Fast Track Trading just deleted their main lobby as well. So it's all gone. It's all gone. Nothing has left, only these two, but I think they're just gonna delete these two. And the whole server. What a shame. What a shame. Covered that short. Too many bottom tilt candles. Yeah, I mean, it can go a little bit sideways, you know, before reaching all-time high again. And ES is actually, well, ES went down to 88, but I think it's still going to do the 6,000. So right now, maybe during the lunch hour, it's very close. Powell speech is going to happen at 2:30. That's going to be the press conference. That's going to be the real one. So between 2 and 3 p.m. there's going to be some fireworks going on here. So just be careful. Just be careful, everybody. I mean, I'm super happy that I managed to do this trade earlier. I'm quite happy with that position. I mean, look at all this consolidation throughout, like almost like 45 minutes from the silver bullet hour. It was just hovering around this level and then finally pushed through, but it wasn't easy. A bullish breaker actually sent it higher. So yeah, FTT is gone. Yeah, FTT is gone. Yeah, liquidity. Paul, congratulations. I just saw your post there. Awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Really nice. Closest Twitter. Oh, what a coward. Is Fast Track still on? Fast Track Twitter is still on. Aha, the CEO closed his Twitter account. That's it. All right. All right. Yeah, Maverick. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Paul, awesome, awesome results, Paul. I have no words, really. I'm super happy for you. Super happy. Yeah, it's truly gone. Bob, they're already closed. I'm surprised that their website is still on. Is it on yet, or still? Their website is still on, I think. Not for long, I guess. Well, anyway, it is what it is. What can we do? I am depressed, out of money. I purchased 10 FTT rally accounts, and I was about to reach payout. I was just 2 days away and they did this. Oh, F it, man. Oh, man. That is like... I don't know, man. I mean... This is so... This is... I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's very bad, obviously. It's very bad, not, I mean, for everybody. I'm just watching Methodical Man, they know about it too. Oh man, that sucks. Will it eventually break down? Well, I would say eventually it should make a new all-time high. That would be the goal. Is it? I think it's still pushing higher. It should be pushing higher, right? Strange message today from my bank Wise that a bank direct debit was trying to be in place. I clicked refuse. I hope it's not FTT like they have our bank info. I don't think so. I don't think so, Bob. I don't think there's anything about that. Are you sure we can withdraw 3,000 if we made, for example, from ProfiTrade 50K account? Because I can't find any info. So it's like this. If you make 3,600, then there's going to be the safety threshold, which is $2,600. And if you choose the boost account, then you're going to get a 90% profit split, but you have to leave 20,600. I think it's 600 or 5. Let's make it 600. So you're going to receive 90% from the threshold, which is 1,800, and you're going to receive the 1,000 above the safety threshold full with the boost account, because you get 100% until you reach $25,000. So that means you will get $2,800. I mean, the question is good, Gary, because there were so many small details that was not clear, and I went into a chat with their CEO, and I was trying to clear this out when I made the video about it, and that's how it came down to me. So yeah, you can't find any info on that website. I don't have any link. The way I was doing it is I logged into their Telegram, and I was chatting with their CEO, or yeah, one of them was their CEO, and there was another one who is the co-CEO, I guess, and I just asked around them, and that's how it came down to me. Like, I specifically asked, so if I reach $2,600 on the boost account and I want to get everything, how much I'm gonna get? And they said 90% for the boost account from the safety threshold, but you have to leave, so it locks in at 50,100 plus 500 goes to the prop firm, which means 50,600. That's what they told on Discord. Now, you know, above that you have that $2,000. 10% goes away, so you will receive $1,800. And above the safety threshold, you can get 100% up until $25,000. Which means if we add it together, $2,800. That's how I understood. But you know, if you want to make sure, obviously, you know, you could just join their Discord. Usually there's a mod there, or even the CEOs are there sometimes, and they can answer to you. But yeah, it it seems a little bit difficult, but it's not actually. It's not difficult, but you know. So after we withdraw 2,800, can we trade the? Yes, you can, but you're left with not 600 but 500, because the account is gonna lock in. Let me show you. For example, like Bulenox does the same. For example, let me show you a Bulenox account here. Right here. So you see this down there. It locks in at 50,100. Now this is a Bulenox account. So let me show you an Apex account. Now this has already got payout. For example, let me go with this one. This has already got a payout, and this also locks in. It locks in at 50,000. Don't ask me why the 100. I have no freaking idea. But 50,100 as well. So I'm still working on my ProfiTrade accounts, but it's the same situation. So 100 plus 500, and that's gonna be, so you're gonna stay with $500 safety threshold, basically, not 6 but $500, and you're gonna be locked in with 500. I don't know. I mean, obviously you have a chance, you can work yourself out from the 500 with micros, but you're gonna be stuck with 500. Yeah, something like that. Holy Grail. Yeah, Holy Grail. For slippage or whatever. I don't know. But all the prop firms are doing the same thing. Like, they'll lock in 50,000 and 100 plus, you know, but you're gonna stay with 500, not 600, but 500 threshold to trade with, and that's it. I trade with stop loss. Do you think without a stop loss? No, it's not a breach. I personally did not ask them, but I was there in the Telegram when they were talking about similar things like risk to reward and trading style, and somebody was mentioning the stop loss, and take it from me or leave it, it's up to you, but you can ask yourself too. But they said they don't tell you how you're trading. You can DCA, you don't have to use stop loss. They did not specifically said that. They said you can do however you want. They do not tell you how to trade. They do not tell you how to trade. That's it. There's no such thing about stop loss being a mandatory thing. So I'm like 99.99% sure that there's no problem by using no stop loss. They specifically said they're not going to tell you how to trade or how to manage your risk. They said it. So it's up to you. No problem. No problem, Maxwell. This is ProfiTrade. Yeah, this is ProfiTrade, Jeff. ProfiTrade. So not too many prop firms are out there yet that lets you to withdraw your safety threshold, or the majority of your safety threshold. So every prop firm is now aiming for their traders to build up capital, right? So that's what they want from their traders, to build up more and more capital. What a slow grind, right? I think everybody's waiting for Powell. Oh wow, fast track trading is... The Discord is technically empty. The Discord is empty. What happened? Oh man. Final touches are happening here. I'm surprised that their Twitter is still there. Oh, thank you, Gary. I'm chilled, yeah. How long have you been trading and how? Well, sure, no problem. So I'm trading. Well, my journey is quite complicated because I'm trading since like 2018. But I was trading with my personal money, and I was not using prop firms, and I lost a lot of money, a lot, by the pandemic. So after 2021, I started trading again with prop firm, but first I started to learn and study much more. And 2021, 22, I traded with FTMO. My forex funds and stuff like that, and I wasn't profitable. I was joining some mentorships and discords, and so I wasn't profitable. So I would say that since the time I have seriously started this trading, was from 2022. That's when I super seriously dived into learning. First learning and you know, trading with prop firms. And I did not get a payout until 2023 September, end of September actually. So it took me quite a while. I was funded with FTMO and MyForex funds, but I never got a payout because I mean, I blown the accounts. And I'm not profitable yet. I took a few $1,000s from TopStep. My first payouts was from TopStep, and then I moved to other prop firms as well. This year, I mean, the first payout was September. From TopStep, and until January, I took out $4,500 in payouts from TopStep. That was last year. And then I moved to new prop firms, and I didn't take payouts for quite a few months. And the things started to change this year summer for me. This summer started to change positively when I started to take payouts, mostly from Apex, Bulenox. I took one from MyFundedFutures too. But I trade with the rest of these that you see up there, and I'm affiliated with them. But to answer your question, I am not a profitable trader yet. I'm starting to get my tuition back, which I paid for prop firms and activation fees. For example, yesterday I got $4,000 payout from Apex, and also secured another $1,000 from Bulenox. Last month I made $8,000, for example. So something clicked in the summer. So in the summertime, something clicked for me, and I started to receive payouts. I can say that since July, I received payouts every month. July, August, September, October, this month, I'm receiving payouts every month from trading. But, you know, hopefully it will continue. That's the short story. Thank you for joining the stream, by the way. Tommy Me says Scott is looting. Yeah, that was expected. Yeah. This is a good business model. Just run a prop firm, take people's money, delay payouts as much as you can. Yeah. Yeah, Gary, you're welcome. You're welcome. So I'm not a trading guru, Gary. And I also said that many times that without the affiliate commissions, that makes me able to be here full time on YouTube, I could not be here. So I make a couple of $1,000s per month from affiliate commissions, thanks to you guys who are supporting the channel using my codes and links, and I'm super grateful. Without that, I'm not sure I could be here or I could have made this progress. So that's the truth, but the goal is to have that, you know, change, you know, have much more payouts from trading. You know, I lost around 80,000. I think I have found my edge, but I think take loss from there. I got tilted. Yeah, Giri, I lost something around. I mean, something like that too. I lost, I think, somewhere between $60,000 to $80,000 from my own money, and not to prop firms. I traded that money on my personal account on Forex. That's how I lost it, but it was years ago. So the tips of Bulenox: pass the challenge and build the account slowly and make the first payout. Then it will be more. Yeah, Holy Grail. So with Bulenox, just reach the $3,600, and you will see if you take out the first $1,000, it will be much more easier, to go for the next $1,000, because you will have the safety threshold. The account is gonna locked in. So you know. Why didn't you try FTMO or Fibers? You trade only NAS. I think, you know, I would go with a prop firm outside the European jurisdiction and the US jurisdiction, so most likely fivers. But the spread and the slippage is the problem for me, because I'm gonna try, I think, fivers. So maybe. But for now, I'm having very good success with futures. So, you know. As long as, I'm doing good with the futures prop firms, I have no reason to change that. But obviously, it's never a bad thing to have some other variations. Spread was good. Risk management was easier. Yeah, I was trading, as I said, FTMO. Support was okay. The spread was a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. Anyway, guys, I think I am going to call it here, because I think we should go for the 215. Yeah, 1 point. Trading, yeah, exactly. Anyway, I think we're gonna go for new all-time high. Look at that. It's super close. I'm not jumping into a trade. I'm super happy I made profit on all my funded accounts. Well, almost all my funded accounts. Funded next is good. Yeah, Maverick. So thank you so much for being here. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. If you would like to support the channel, as always, please use my code. The TOMSABO code works at Bulenox now, 90%. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, 80% down with Apex. ProfiTrade has still instant funded accounts and cheap evals. And MyFundedFutures, my favorite, still gives you instant funded accounts and no activation fee. Currently $80, but if you type in the code, still gives some discount. Credit to the stream. Thank you so much. I congratulate to everybody who made profit and everybody else who was here and watching the stream. See you guys tomorrow. I'm going to start tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, London. When did you start affiliate channel? Affiliates, I started with early summer this year. Early summer, March, actually, or before summer, March, April. So yeah. All right. I'm going to go, guys, and see you tomorrow in London. Push the like button. Thanks for being here. See you guys tomorrow. God bless you.